Good evening, everyone. Actually, I'm husband of late Dr. Pahel Tadvi. Actually, I don't have any idea about what is going in society, means like casteism, discrimination, and all. Before this, before our matter, I just realized after our matter that what is going in society, how the people are treating us, why they are ill treating us. They don't want us to become their equal and all. So you all people must be aware about our matter, but still I will give you the brief summary so that those who don't know about our matter, they will realize means what happened with us. So just I want to tell that what happened with Payal. She took admission in 2018 in Mumbai's one of the prestigious college, Nair Hospital. She took admission through NEET examination. She cleared her exam with good marks and took admission in obstetrics and gynecology department. But since very starting, the three girls of upper caste were her seniors. Name means Bhakti Mahire and Ankita Khandelwal and Hema Ahuja. Those upper caste girls were underestimating her since very starting. We were unaware means why they were behaving like this, why they were underestimating her. We thought maybe she is very new, that's why they were
Our
doing
meeting
this.
is going on.
We were unaware means what were they were doing, why they were behaving with her like this. We complained to many people, means in first few months they were allowing her only servant work, not allowing her for doctor work, mean quality work, not allowing her to examine the patients, not conducting the deliveries, not allowing her to assist the cesarean section or any other gynecological procedures. They were only they were only allowing her to do only servant work. So we thought that might be she is a first year student. That's why she has to do this work. But after few months, when her batchmates they were doing the quality work, she was still doing the servant work, mama maushi work, means collection of samples, blood sample, collection of reports, only doing paperwork, doing UHG of patients, and not allowing her good work. So though this was going, we decided to complain against this to their head of department, their third year students, their lecturer, and their associate professor. So we started from the hierarchy. First, we informed the third year student, as Payal was first year student, and those three girls were the second year students. So first, her mother and she went to meet her third year student, and they informed her what she was going through, uh, what was happening with us. They were shouting in front of patients, uh, shouting her on each every small and small thing, not allowing her to do good clinical work. So after informing her third year students, they assured us that they will talk their seniors and they will manage the things. But please you send Payal for her duty. So we sent her for her duty. But after few days, again they started the same thing. No, not means not giving good work and just only shouting and shouting. So we totally means out of thinking what these people were doing, what in their minds, what they were thinking, is there jealousy or something, anything else. As we have not faced this caste based discrimination before, so these things didn't come in our mind. It might be because of casteism or something else. So then we went to the lecturer. We informed her lecturer. We told her that these girls' behaviors were not changing. They were doing the same thing. Why they were doing this to her? And other students are doing proper work. They so her lecturer also assured us that we will do something. You don't worry. You don't worry. We will do. but still the same thing is going on. Nothing has not be done. Then we went to the associate professor, then we went to the head of department, Dr. Shirodkar madam. So we almost 4 to 5 times we complain regarding these things, but the same thing is going on. So after some time now, uh, sh- uh, her tolerance level is over now. She was crying in front of me and her mother. She was telling that why these girls are behaving with me like this, why they were not allowing me to do work. They only telling that तुझे गधों का डॉक्टर बना के छोड़ेंगे, ऐसा means they were तू आदिवासी है, this is not your likey. They were talking her like this in front of patient. So we were totally confused what this is going wrong. Then we decided to complain regarding this to the dean sir, dean of medical college. So her mother wrote a letter to address to dean and mention all the things whatever happening with her, and clear cut mention that this was because of caste based discrimination. Because after some time now, Payal heard the girls talk. When those girls were talking with each other, that time they were discussing that these Payal is of lower caste student. She should not be equal of us. So when Payal realized that this is because of caste-based discrimination, she informed her mother that mom, this is because of her caste, because of our scheduled caste type. So her mother wrote this all the things clearly in that letter. But when we went to meet Dean sir and told him that and want to give that letter, but the security outside the dean's office, he didn't allow her mother to meet the dean sir. He told that dean sir does not have time for such a stupid thing. Please you submit your letter in dean office, because dean sir is busy. Please submit this in dean office. So her mother submitted the letter and she called me. We submitted one complaint letter to the dean office. Then that time my father was admitted in hospital for bypass surgery. So immediately I went to the hospital. I saw that letter, received copy. Where her mother was clearly mentioned that this might be because of caste-based discrimination, and her daughter might take wrong decision. She might lose her life. She will take responsible these girls for her daughter's life. Her mother was clearly mentioned these things. Then I we discussed and decided that this letter will go to dean table after 4 5 days or something 7 days. So instead of that, we will directly meet their unit head and directly discuss that this is going to happen. Please do something immediately. But after discussing her, the Dr. Chingling was her name. She denied that you people were lying. Don't tell me that all these three girls were doing this to her. In fact, she told us that the Payal is not doing her work properly. But Payal, all friends were telling us that Payal is very good in her work. Instead, out of 7 students, she is very sincere in her work. All people told in their statements that Payal is very sincere among them. But unfortunately, after complaining so many times, after 1 week, the incident was happened, and we lost her. Almost 2.5 years were completed, but still we were missing her. Means what we left, we did all the things. We complained to so many people, but nothing has been done. Nothing has not been done. Why the people has not been done? Because she belongs to lower caste. Means we didn't get any idea right now also. Um, so don't know what will happen in our case. Means right. In fact, the case is not yet started it. As per, if we say, as per Atrocity Act, case should be finished within 6 months after submission of this charge sheet. Charge sheet is submitted within 3 months. In fact, Crime Branch Police of Mumbai did very good investigation. They collected all the evidences, including CCTV and all. They did very good investigation, but still I don't know, we all of know that how is our judicial system, but the fight will go very long. I don't know what will happen, but I need support of all of you. That's what means. It's very danger means, after giving so many complaints in writing also, nothing has been done with a girl. If अगर किसी ने कुछ किया होता तो might be she will, अभी वो हमारे साथ होती ऐसा. Ma'am, we family people are totally broken up. Means because initially all people came in support of us, but finally लड़ाई जो है वो हमको ही लड़नी है.
बिल्कुल.
Since 2.5 years, I regularly visiting court, regularly visiting advocates and doing means, it's very danger thing. Means जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि keep away from hospital and court, the same thing is happening with us. Luckily, luckily we got good advocates in our case. Dr. Disha Wadekar, she and her team is looking for High Court and Supreme Court matter. And Dr. Rizwan Merchant, one of the famous advocate in Mumbai, he is looking for our case in session court. So luckily we got good advocate team. So we are hoping that we will get justice in our case. And we have all the evidences, very good evidences, because all the students give their statements in favor of us. They saw that me and her mother were complaining many times. So we are hoping for the best.